Concrete nouns. A concrete noun is a noun that refers to a physical thing, person, or place, something or someone that can be perceived with the five senses: touch, hearing, sight, smell, and taste. Concrete nouns includes all living things, places, and all material things, even invisible things, such as bacteria and music. Concrete nouns are different from abstract nouns. A concrete noun can also be common or proper but never abstract, because concrete nouns are the opposite of abstract nouns. Examples of concrete nouns. Concrete noun examples are everywhere. I pet the soft, fluffy puppy in my lap. The name of my cat is Mooney. Can you hear that lovely song? Teacher. Fish,